are talking to the Vice Chancellor of UCT. Yes.
Can I please go wash my face?
Your face looks good. Your face looks happy. Or you haven't washed your face since yesterday. Huh?
It looks tired and not appropriate to be the Vice Chancellor.
You are hilarious. You are hilarious. You've done so well, Sinakhokonke. You've done so well. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'm so happy for you.
Coming from you.
Well, I saw you telling the world why you want to come to UCT. And then I retweeted your video where you told people why you want to come to UCT. And then, of course, when I checked the list of students that are getting the Vice Chancellor's Vice Chancellor's Blue Carpet Scholarship, I said, wow, Sinakhokonke is there. You are getting the Vice Chancellor's Blue Carpet Scholarship. But we have accepted you to do an MBChB. We have allocated you a bed at our new residence Avenue Road, and then you are getting the Vice Chancellor Scholarship, which is 100,000 rands. Yeah. When you come here, we'll do a welcome lunch with the Vice Chancellor and other top performing learners. VIP tickets to all the games that are on campus. Go hiking with the Vice Chancellor in the first semester. And you will be invited throughout the year. You'll be invited to exclusive events hosted by the Vice Chancellor. In short, Sinakhokonke, you will be the Vice Chancellor's VIP for the whole year. And you will have the Vice Chancellor's cell number. You put it on your speed dial. Any problem, you call the Vice Chancellor.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay? This is what working hard.